Hello student, how are you? I'm Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Today in this class, I'll teach you the derivative of the inverse function or derivative by the trigonometry substitution. Student, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the IIT exam, WJEE and CBSE board exam confidently with a good rank or good marks. Let's start the class. For simplification, we put, if the expression be this, then we put x equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Because if we put x equal to a sin theta, then a square minus a square sin square theta, a square common, that is a cos theta. Total term will be a cos theta. So for this we put x equal to a sin theta. For if x square minus a square, first x square minus a square, then we put x equal to a sec theta. We put a sec theta. And if the expression becomes a square plus x square, then we put x equal to a tan theta. So this substitution is very important. This formula is very important. So inverse derivative and integration, in 3 chapter this formula is required, so it is very important. Okay, so x equal to tan theta. Now root over, if a plus x or a minus x, for a plus x or a minus x, so for a plus x we put x equal to a cos 2 theta, and also for root over a minus x we put x equal to a cos 2 theta, a cos t theta, a tan theta. And also for root over x by a plus x we put x equal to a tan square theta, and x by a minus x we put x equal to a sin square theta or a cos square theta. Very important. For derivative of inverse function, sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x, cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. This formula is required. And sin 2x formula in terms of tan, 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x, tan 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So this formula is also required. And sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. This formula also required. In this side the formula comes 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Very important formula in this form. So if 1 plus cos 2x in this form, we memorize in this form. For 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x, we memorize in this form. 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. for integration it is very helpful to memorize in this way. 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. And when 1 plus only cos x, but if the angle is 2x, then this angle is half here. So if here is 2x, then here half of this angle, that is x. So 1 plus cos x, this formula will be 2 cos square x by 2. Always this angle is half of this angle, and 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Sin inverse sin x equal to x when x lies between the x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we can write sin inverse sin x equal to x when x belongs to this. This means x in this range. When the angle x lies between this, then we can write sin inverse sin x equal to x. Otherwise we cannot write. So if x lies between, suppose 3 pi, so we cannot write sin inverse sin x for this range. If x lies between pi to 3 pi, we cannot write sin inverse sin x equal to x. Sin inverse sin x equal to x when x lies in this value. When the angle is in this value. This is the principal value of sin inverse x. This is the principal value of sin inverse x. That is, the angle lies between, the principal value means the angle. And if the angle lies between this, then sin inverse sin x equal to x. So we have to remember this. Similarly, cos inverse cos x equal to x when x belongs to 0 to pi, that is x less than pi greater than 0. This and this are meaning same. And tan inverse tan x equal to x when x lies between open bracket. This is third bracket, this is closed interval, this is open interval. That is x less than pi by 2 greater than minus pi by 2. If sec inverse sec x equal to x, if x lies between here 0 to pi except pi by 2, because cos pi by 2 sec x equal to 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos pi by 2, 1 by 0 is undefined. So sec inverse sec x equal to x when x belongs to this except pi by 2. At pi by 2 it is not defined. Now cot inverse cot x equal to x when x lies between 0 to pi, and cosec inverse cosec x equal to x when x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0, because cosec x equal to 1 by sin x, 1 by sin 0, that is 1 by 0 is undefined. Differentiate sin inverse sin x, differentiate sin inverse sin x with respect to x. Condition is x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. This is the condition. Differentiate sin inverse sin x with respect to x belongs to this. We know sin inverse sin x equal to x when x lies between minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So here all the angle is positive. Now define, let y equal to sin inverse sin x. So this equal to x, sin inverse sin x equal to x when in this interval when x lies between 0 to pi by 2. First, in this interval we can write sin inverse sin x equal to x. Now this equal to pi minus x when x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. If pi by 2 3 pi by 2, so pi minus this. So in this interval this is sin inverse sin x equal to x. So sin inverse sin x equal to pi minus, if the x belongs to this interval, then pi minus x will be the principal value of sin inverse x. Then this value sin inverse sin x equal to pi minus x for this interval. Similarly, this is minus 2 pi plus x. Minus 2 pi plus x. If x belongs to three pi by 2 to pi by 2, if x belongs to this, so this is the first we break in this interval, then dy by dx we can differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to 1 when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, equal to 1 minus x, that is minus 1 when x belongs to pi by 2 3 pi by 2, and again 1 when x belongs to 3 pi by 2 2 pi by 2. Now y is not derivable at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, because at pi by 2 the function breaks. At pi by 2, exact pi by 2, left hand derivative is 1 and right hand derivative is minus 1. Again at 3 pi by 2, left hand derivative is minus 1 and right hand derivative is plus 1. Derivable at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So now at pi by 2, what happens? At pi by 2, left hand derivative equal to what? At pi by 2, left hand derivative means less than pi by 2, which is equal to y equal to x. So dy by dx equal to 1. Left hand derivative will be 1, and right hand derivative, that is when x greater than pi by 2, that is pi by 2 plus, then the function will be this. So derivative of this is minus 1. So at pi by 2, left hand derivative and right hand derivative is not equal. So at pi by 2, y is not derivable. And this also at 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, at 3 pi by 2, left hand derivative will be at 3 pi by 2, left hand derivative is minus 1 and right hand derivative is plus 1. So this, for this point, y is not derivable, and dy by dx equal to 1 for this interval, minus 1 for this interval, and 1 for this interval. Dy by dx equal to, for this interval, y equal to sin inverse sin x when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So if we sin inverse sin x equal to x, so if we differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 1 when 0 to pi by 2, here we differentiate 0 minus 1, and if we differentiate this function, then this becomes 1. So next problem. Next problem, differentiate sine inverse 2x into root over 1 minus x square with respect to x if x less than 1 by root 2 minus, this is one condition, and for b x less than 1 greater than 1 by root 2, and for next condition x less than half greater than minus 1, x less than minus half minus 1. So for a, let y equal to this, and if we put x equal to sine theta, then what comes? This is sine inverse 2 sine theta into root over 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. So this equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta. Now we cannot write 2 theta. Now we have to check the principal value of sine inverse x, that is this angle. So we have to check this angle. If this angle lies between pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, then we can write sine inverse sine 2 theta equal to 2 theta. Now check x equal to sine theta, so minus sine pi by 4. So theta less than pi by 4, theta less than pi by 4 greater than minus pi by 4. Now 2 theta multiply 2 on each side, multiply 2 by each side, we get this. So 2 theta, the angle lies between these to this, pi by 2 minus pi by 2, which is the principal value of sine inverse x. So we can write this is 2 theta. Now theta, what is theta? Theta equal to sine inverse x, 2 sine inverse x. So y becomes 2 sine inverse x. So dy by dx equal to 2 by root over 1 minus x square. So this is the answer for A. This is the answer for A. So we get this result. Okay. If we put x equal to sine theta, then we have to check the principal value. Here x lies between this sine theta, so x means sine theta lies between this. 1 by root 2 means sine pi by 4, sine minus sine pi by 4, cancel sine on each side, so theta equal to this. Now 2 theta, that is multiply 2 on each side, we get pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So these values lies in the this is the principal value. So sine inverse sine x equal to x, we can write this, that is 2 into theta. Theta means sine inverse x. Now next condition, so for next condition we put up to this, it is correct. For next, less than 1 by root 2 x less than sine pi by 2 sine pi by 4, x means sine theta. So sine theta, so theta less than pi by 2 greater than pi by 4. Now 2 theta pi greater than pi by 2. This is pi to pi by 2. So we have to bring, we can write sine inverse sine pi minus 2 theta. Now this is not principal value. This angle is not principal value. So we have to bring this angle in the interval of principal value. So we write here sine 2 theta equal to sine pi minus 2 theta. Now we check pi minus 2 theta angle, minus 2 theta will be minus pi by 2 greater than minus pi. Now pi minus 2 theta less than pi, add pi on each side, pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2, and here 0. So these values now lies in principal value. This value lies in principal values of sin inverse x. So pi now these values lies in the principal values. So sin inverse sin this equal to this pi minus 2 theta. That is pi minus 2 theta. Theta means what is theta? Theta means sin inverse x. So dy by dx will be dy by dx equal to 0 minus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. This is the answer for B. First put this condition, 2 theta will be this, but this is not in the interval of principal value of sin inverse x. This is not principal value. Principal value of sin inverse x is pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. This is not in principal value. So we cannot write 2 equal to 2 theta. We cannot write this. Now we have to bring, we write sin 2 theta equal to sin pi minus 2 theta, because sin pi minus 2 theta equal to sin theta. Now these values lies in the principal value, because if we adjust here minus 2 theta, first multiply minus on each side, then add pi on each side. If we add pi on each side, then pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2, pi minus pi is 0. So now this interface lies in the principal value of sin inverse x. So we can write this equal to this. Now theta equal to sin inverse x, this for condition C, x minus 1 by root 2 to minus 1 sin theta minus sin pi by 4 theta less than minus pi by 4 minus pi by 2. Now 2 theta, what is 2 theta? 2 theta minus pi by 2, 2 theta minus pi. Now this is pi plus 2 theta, pi. So we can write this is sin inverse sin pi plus 2 theta, and if sin pi plus 2 theta, then this will be minus sin 2 theta. So we adjust minus here, we adjust minus here. Now this angle we adjust minus here, minus here. Now this angle will be sine of this value will be sin t theta. Now here minus pi plus minus 2 theta. Now 2 theta equal to this. Now minus 2 theta lies minus pi to pi by 2. Now minus pi at this minus pi minus 2 theta. Add minus pi on this side, this will be 0, and this is minus pi, that is minus pi by 2. So this interval also lies in the principal value of sin inverse x. So we can write this minus pi plus minus 2 theta. So y equal to this, that is minus pi minus 2 theta. Theta equal to what? Theta equal to sin inverse x. Theta equal to sin inverse x. So dy by dx equal to minus 2 by this. So for condition C, dy by dx equal to minus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. This is the answer. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Function is sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Condition, three condition here. Condition A, x less than half, greater than minus half. Condition A. B condition, x. For condition B, x less than 1, greater than half, and for condition C, x less than minus half, greater than minus 1. So for this condition, find dy by dx. For this condition, find dy by dx. Okay. Now here obviously we put x equal to sin theta. So solution for A, put x equal to sin theta. Then we get y equal to, let this equal to y. So y equal to, we get first sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta, which is equal to sin inverse sin 3 theta, which is equal to check the principal value of sin inverse x. Now these values 3 theta, we have to check the angle 3 theta, we have to check. Now x equal to sin theta, so sin theta lies between half means sin pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6. So theta pi by 6 minus pi by 6. Now 3 theta, 3 multiplying by 3, pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So this values, this angle lies between principal value pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So this equal to 3 theta, which is equal to 3 sin inverse x. 3 theta means 3 sin inverse x. So y equal to this. Now dy by dx equal to 3 by root over 1 minus x square. This is the answer for A. Less than 1, greater than half. X means sin theta, sin pi by 2, sin pi by 6, sin 30 degree equal to half. So theta lies between pi by 2 to pi by 6. Now 3 theta will be 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is not in the principal value. The angle, this does not lie in the principal value. So we have to check here 3 theta. We have to bring this angle within the principal value. Now we can write sin inverse sin pi by 2. Sin pi minus 3 theta, we can write this pi minus 3 theta. We can write sin pi minus 3 theta. We can write sin pi minus 3 theta. Now because sin 3 theta equal to sin pi minus 3 theta, so minus 3 theta lies minus pi by 2 greater than minus 3 pi by 2, and again pi minus 3 theta is, add pi on this side, pi minus pi by 2, and this is pi minus 3 pi by 2 is minus pi by 2. So this angle lies in the principal value. So we can write this equal to this. This angle lies between principal value. So this angle, we put this angle here. Now y equal to this. So pi minus 3 theta means sin inverse x. So dy by dx equal to 0 minus 3 by root over 1 minus x square. So this is the answer for B. For option B, for condition B, this is the condition. For in condition B, so this is the answer. Lies between minus half to minus 1 sin theta minus sin pi by 6 sin 30 minus sin pi by 2. So theta lies between minus pi by 6 minus pi by 2. Now 3 theta minus pi by 2, 3 theta minus 3 pi by 2, multiply 3. Now this sin inverse sin, first write pi plus 3 theta, and sin pi plus 3 theta equal to minus sin 3 theta. So we have to adjust here minus. We have to adjust here minus. Now this value is this. So Now minus pi minus 3 theta, so minus 3 theta equal to 3 pi by 2 and minus pi minus 3 theta will be minus pi. So minus pi here, if we add minus pi on both sides, so this becomes minus pi plus pi by 2, that is minus pi by 2. So these values pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, these values lies in the principal value. So we can write this theta equal to sin inverse x, so y equal to this, so dy by dx equal to minus 3 divided. This is the answer for condition C. Next problem, differentiate cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Differentiate this. Condition is x less than 1 greater than minus 1. Condition is this. Now here we put x equal to tan theta. So y equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this equal to cos inverse sin 2 theta, which is equal to cos inverse sin theta means cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now x lies between these, so x means we put tan theta equal to tan pi by 4 greater than minus tan pi by 4. To cos inverse sin 2 theta means cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So this is pi. Now we have to find the principal value of this angle. Principal value of this way, x equal to tan theta. So one is tan pi by 4, x equal to tan theta. Theta less than pi by 4. Now 2 theta pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now pi by 2 add pi by 2 on both sides. Pi by 2 add pi by 2 on both sides, 0. So 0 to pi. Now 0 to pi, this is the principal value of cos inverse x. So we can write this equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta, which is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Theta equal to what? Theta equal to tan inverse x. So y equal to, the simplification is this, pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x, so dy by dx equal to 0 minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Dy by dx equal to this, minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So this is the answer. Next problem. Cos x by 1 plus sin x. X, the angle lies between pi to 0. So cos x means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and 1 plus sin x we can write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. The one can be written as this, plus sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this is the formula. Now tan inverse cos square minus sin square, a square minus b square, a plus b, a plus b into a minus b divided by a square plus b square plus 2ab now cancel one term. So this by this, now divide cos x by 2, divide by cos x by 2 on numerator and denominator. This will be 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. This. Now 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2, pi by 4 minus x by 2. This. Now x by 2 angle is pi by 2 greater than 0, minus x by 2 angle is minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. This will be inverse. When negative sign you put here, then this value will shifted this, and this value will be shifted here. Now add pi by 4. So add pi by 4 on each side. Pi by 4 minus pi by 2 is pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 2 is minus pi by 4. So pi by 4 to minus pi by 4, these values lies between principal value of tan inverse x. So this is the value of, so this angle will be this tan inverse tan x, as this lies in the principal value of tan inverse x, because principal value of tan inverse x is minus pi by 2. Now this interval lies in this, because here number line, here minus pi by 2 and here pi by 2. So pi by 4 is here, minus pi by 4 is here. So these values pi by 4 to minus pi by 4 lies between this value. So this is the principal, this value lies in the principal value of tan inverse x. So we can write this. Now pi by 4 minus half of x, half of x, so y equal to this, so dy by dx equal to minus half into 1. So this is the answer. Student, this is the end of the class today. To get such type of video, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.